Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shruti. I'm a 3D artist and today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D koi fish model in Maya. Part 2. So let's get started. We can polish this later as well, but right now let's go to next scene and try to create the bottom fin now. We'll follow the same process. We will grab faces. As you can see, I already grabbed or selected the faces, bottom side of this fish, and then hold shift and extrude outwards and reach until you match with the background fin. Okay, now as you can see, there is another set of fins, bottom fins. So we will just make sure that we have created, I think we have created all the fins now. This is the top fin and bottom fins. If you go to perspective view, you can see we have all the fins. Smooth preview mode, it looks like fish and it looks nice, but as you can see, the fins are a little thicker, so we have to just make sure that we modify the thickness of these fins. To achieve that, we can just click one vertex here, hold shift and double click on next vertex. Then you can select all the vertices in same row and symmetry is on, so automatically the second row or next row will be selected, and then you can use a resize tool to resize them. This thickness is, I think, okay, and we'll follow the same technique for the upper side of the fin. As you can see, if you go to smooth preview, you can see it looks nice now. Okay, so now just hit E on your keyboard to enable the rotate tool, and then you can just rotate this fin, these vertices like that, so that we can achieve the shape we can see in our reference image, right? I like to make bigger fins so that when we rig this and we animate, those fins should be properly visible. I'll just use multi-cut tool and hold control, and I will create some extra edges, and then I will get extra vertices as well, so that I can hold those vertices and try to give the shape of the fin that I can see in my reference image. I'm just roughly create the outline. We always can polish our design later, but now I will just try to give a basic shape, adding extra edges so that we can get extra vertices. This looks nice. Just try to modify a bit. It's fine, I guess. Let's move on to next front fin. This is also a little thicker, so I'll just make sure that I will select those vertices and just make sure you are always in symmetry mode, so that you don't have to modify separately both fins. And the bottom fin is also thicker, so we'll modify it. Now it's, I think, better. The middle set of fins, this we need to modify a lot because we need to move it down. If we go to perspective view, you can see from here, this looks fine. Let's go to side view again, and we can move these vertices, push down, and then we will grab vertices and move towards the end of the fin so that we can get a shape. But I can see that we need more vertices and edges, so we'll grab multi-cut tool again and hold control, and we'll create extra edges again. Hold vertices, modify them into the shape we require. Follow the same technique. We'll hold vertices, push them, and we will try to achieve the shape to match with the reference image. We can go to wireframe mode and we can zoom it and we can match with the reference image more efficiently. Yeah, I think this is nice. Always it's good idea to go to perspective mode and see the entire shape, because sometimes we do some modification and later we notice that we accidentally modify other part of the fish. This is fine. Now let's create the single bottom fin. As you can see, we will follow the same technique. I will just grab all the vertices and push inside to achieve the shape we can see in reference image. And we will continue this same technique and finally finish the outline, the basic shape of this fish. Yeah, I think this is fine. Now let's go to the top view and quickly follow the same technique and push those vertices and give it a shape, as you can see on screen. Use shortcut keys W, E and R and manipulate your keys, enable them as required and try to grab vertices, edges, faces, and you can easily achieve the shape you want. As you can see, I'm just keeping my fins a little bit bigger so that when I will rig this fish and I will animate, the fins must be visible properly. Yeah, if you go to smooth preview mode, you can see clearly it looks nice. And now as you can see that I have already created the gills part, the head part. I moved to the head part and I will follow the same technique again and I will add extra edges to achieve the shape I need here. I have created half moon shape here, as I can see in the reference image. Yeah, this looks nice. I think I need another shape similar but smaller than the previous one, so I will create another edge. I will add some vertices and I will create another half moon shape here, and I will add one middle edge so that I can hold them and push them out so that I can create a curve here. And if you go to smooth preview mode, you can see, yep, it's looking nice. And if you go to side view, you can see, go to wireframe mode, yeah, you can see our fish is ready. It looks almost perfect. Yeah, I'm quite happy. Now let's create eyes and head shape. So again the same technique, I will add edges, more edges, multiple edges to get multiple vertices so that we can grab those vertices and we can move according to our requirement, and we will try to match with the reference image. Yes, I will just make sure that symmetry is on and I will grab those faces and extrude inside to create eye pit here. So this is ready, and now I will just quickly add more edges to create a head shape here. As you can see in reference image, the head is a little bit curvy from upper side, and it has a swollen head actually. So I will just add more edges and I will push those vertices upwards so that we can get a swollen head. You have to follow the image and try to achieve that shape. So now I will just try to give another bump upper side of the eyes, so that there is a kind of eyebrows. This is not eyebrows, actually eyelid I should say. So there will be another row of vertices or another edge I will add, so that I can have some extra vertices in the upper side of eyes, and I can pull them outwards to see if we can get the exact shape that is visible in the reference image. It looks nice. So let's move on to mouth. I will grab the vertices and make just the perfect size, and I will delete the circle because we don't need circle, we need a mouth hole here. So I will just roughly try to keep one shape, and to create the mouth I need more edges and vertices, so that the similar way how we created the tail fin, exactly the same way I will just try to bifurcate the mouth hole, so that we can get the shape here like this. Okay, so this is quite fun. I'm not trying to achieve perfection here, just an outline. We can always polish our fish later. So I will just try to give it a shape and outline that I can see in reference image, because this is not the main character, so I don't need any facial expression. I'm not going to animate its face, so I think just an outline is fine for me, and my fish is ready. Now I think we need to create the mustache. So I'll just, if you go to smooth preview mode, it looks nice. It's perfect, I guess. We'll polish later, but now let's quickly create the mustache. I will just grab one face, add some edges here so that we don't ruin the shape, and just make sure that symmetry is on, and hold down shift and extrude a couple of times, so that we can get multiple layers of faces here, because the mustache shouldn't look like a cone. It should look like a wavy tail or something like that. So to give it a wavy shape or curvy shape, we will give modify and try to give a little wave here, so that it doesn't look like cone. Yep, I think this is fine. And and if you go to smooth preview mode, you can see perfectly, and let's see it. Yeah, this is perfect, guys. I think our fish is ready. This looks okay. So the basic shape of fish is ready, and this looks nice. Yeah, it looks like it's smiling. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.